Yeah, that's the theory.
Just like
that's
they did
what
with
killed everybody.
90% of Native Americans.
Yeah.
But what was done there was done in a place where they had made this environment with terra preta, and just because of the, the lush rainforest, it's like it rains constantly and vegetation grows so well that as soon as they were gone, within a couple hundred years, everything's consumed by the jungle. And then you lead thousands and thousands and thousands of years in the future, there's nothing left. And that's what they think they're looking at when they're looking at these large sections of the Amazon that have these patterns and structures that indicate civilization.
Yeah.
It's pretty wild.